As you may already know, to transform ideas into digital reality we use coding, which in one word means programming, that is, writing instructions, the codes that a computer can receive to execute specific tasks. Coding is everywhere. We use it to develop apps, in websites, in self-driving cars, in voice assistants, and even in scientific research to analyze huge amounts of data. For instance, to develop the apps you use to check the weather, developers write code to gather data from satellites and show you accurate forecasts on your phone. Video games like Fortnite or Minecraft are created using programming languages. Every character, action, and graphic is indeed the result of a set of codes. Platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok are developed through coding, which allows you to upload photos, share videos, and interact with friends. Voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa work thanks to the code written by developers that allows these devices to recognize your voice and respond to your questions. Even the robots we see in factories, or even small educational robots that you can program at school, work thanks to coding. By writing code, you can tell them how to move and how to respond to prompts. The instructions we humans give to computers are written in a programming language which is used precisely to tell machines what to do. Imagine, for example, that you want to tell a robot to turn on a light. In a programming language, it might look something like this. This is the line of code, and it's exactly the instruction that tells the computer to turn on a light. Do you want to try programming instead an alarm that goes off when someone enters your room? To do that, you can use Arduino, an open source hardware platform that lets you create circuits and interactive projects. Equipped with a microcontroller, a small computer, and various connectors to which you can attach sensors, lights, motors, and other electronic components. Connect a motion sensor to Arduino and write this code to trigger a sound when the sensor detects something. With a bit of coding, you can even program your home lights to turn on automatically at sunset and off at dawn using, for example, a home automation system like Home Assistant. Or you can monitor your health as applications do like Apple Health or Fitbit, which through coding track your steps, heart rate, and other physical activities. You could even create your own small app that reminds you to stretch every hour if you've spent too long without moving. The examples you've just seen are codes written in Python, a language that is easy to read and very powerful, which is used for pretty much everything from creating websites to artificial intelligence. Very similar to Python is R, a language specific to statistics and computational graphics, which is very useful for data analysis. It's no coincidence that it's used by the OpenCoesione team for the analyses on the OpenCoesione portal. But of course, there are other programming languages you can explore. For example, Scratch, a visual language that's perfect if you're just starting out and want to create interactive stories, games, and animations through an easy-to-use block interface. If you want to try something a bit more complicated but still fun, you can challenge yourself with JavaScript, the language used to make websites interactive, or with HTML to build your own web page and customize it as you like. With HTML, for example, you can also customize your profile on social media with colors and styles that you like the most. There are many websites and platforms where you can learn coding in a free and fun way, such as code.org, which offers programming courses for beginners with games and challenges. Or Khan Academy, available also in Italian, which offers coding lessons step by step. Or even Code Academy, which offers interactive courses on various programming languages. Or Tinker, an educational platform with games and interactive lessons. We've seen how coding can be creative and incredibly rewarding, and how it can improve our daily lives in many ways. Learning to program, in fact, develops logical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills, which are useful skills in any field, such as the civic monitoring research you're carrying out with your team for the School of OpenCoesione project. So what are you waiting for? Dive right in and explore the wonderful world of coding.